Here's how to see heat map data for an entire section of your website all at once. Studying a Lucky Orange heat map is a great way to see how people are clicking, scrolling, and moving on a page of your website. But what if you want to study how they're engaging with an entire section like e-commerce product collections or product pages all at once? Here's how you do it inside Lucky Orange. We'll go to Analytics and then Heat Maps, and then select the page that you want to view the heat map for. Hit Launch Heat Map, and then once inside the heat map viewer, we'll go to the upper left-hand corner and click Segments. Scroll down to Path, and then inside Path, what we need to do is change query matching type from matches exactly, which is usually the default, to contains. Then inside Query, what you'll do is enter the subdirectory of the URL of whatever you want to analyze. So if we're looking at /products or /collections, whatever that is, that goes in here, and then you hit Update. Once you hit Update, the heat map will change the clicks, scrolls, and moves data that it's visualizing for you. So you see everything for that entire section all at once. Now, the background of the heat map will still be the initial page that you launched, but the data itself and the insights that you can gain will be from visitors across all of the pages within that URL subdirectory.